My mission tonight is to prepare 40 New Zealand dollars balance tea or dinner, depending what you call it, for a family of 4 on a tight budget. Remember, it has to be relatively balanced and nutritious. Oh, I don't know if I'm sounding delusional, but let's see the condiment I brought out to see if that is a reality currently in New Zealand, or I'm just all over the place. All right, guys. I have this olive oil. Yeah. If you're in New Zealand, just check out Pack and Save. You'll see how much it goes for now. So this is about 10 kg. I got this from about 10 kg bag of potatoes I got. I think is a little over $20 for 10 kg bag. And this is our tomatoes, onions, capsaicin half. I've used the other half. And this is half of mushroom that I bought, about $3, and this is half of it. And this is cherry tomatoes. This is $3 worth here, just one punnet. Yeah. And this is Miss salad. I think this is around $6 or so. I wanted to use the silver beets from my garden, but I just checked them out now. And I think the weather is already on them. So guys, let me know. Oh, I've got this one. This is smoked tin tuna. Yeah, this is the only processed food I have here. Because as much as possible, I'm trying to reduce processed meal. But I could not afford like a fresh fish, salmon, tuna, or anything, so I have to stick to this. So guys, let me get all of these dyes and I will walk you through the process to see what I will make out from all of this. But I know this cannot be 40 New Zealand dollars, but just know that I'm trying to make something healthy and on a budget as well. So guys, I'm now wearing my cooking apron and I've got the food going. So this is my I have to pronounce this right before I get screwed. I have got my onion in the pot, my diced onion, not onions. So I have also got my diced tomatoes. So I'm just waiting for the onions to brown before I put it. So guys, I also would like to share this with you all. Guys, I would like to share this with you all. This is a kiwi fruit. I have eaten green one, golden one in the past, and this is actually the first time I am going to eat this one. I don't know if the white color is purple or red, but I'll cut it to see what you guys think. So this is what I got. Yeah, this is my kitchen treat for today. Oh yeah. I think it's quite nice. Kiwi fruit is one of those fruits that is very rich in vitamin C, and is also very good if you feel constipated. Yeah, a lot of fiber. It will help you. We can also get kiwi crush in the supermarket. Just a natural way of helping move your bowel. Yeah. think I quite like this one. That's it. So I will leave the second half for anyone that makes it first to the kitchen to share the treat with mom. So I'll just put in the diced tomatoes now, and just like so if you've ever prepared Nigerian stew or jollof rice, I'm using the same style. I will just leave the onion and the tomato there to cook well, to marry themselves, and I'll show you guys how the consistency would look like when it is properly cooked, to get that signature taste that Nigerian stew and jollof rice usually have. Yeah, so this is the basic of it. Yeah. Oh guys, this is so well cooked. If you eat this, trust me, you will say goodbye to potato salad. Yeah, so it's time to check my veggies in now. I will do my mushroom first. I will add this. Yeah, because the kids, they love it a little bit. What will I say, steamed? Yeah. By the way, this is already washed, so I'm not washing it again. So my capsaicin, what can I do with that capsaicin? So the only thing I will be serving like fresh on top of the food will be this. So you try to get these to marry themselves. This is what I've got, guys. Bon appetit. Tell me if you love what you're seeing.
Are you done eating?
No, I'm just gonna serve everybody now. Tell everybody to come down, that dinner is ready. Go tell everyone. So bon appetit. Take the first bite with me and let me know if it is ill or you like it.
Why is it ill, mommy?
No, it's very yummy. It's not ill. You know your mommy makes only sweet, yummy food. Do you want to have a bite for me? It might be too hot. Wait.
It's not hot, it's food.
Yeah, it's cold now. Have a bite and give me a review. What do you think?
So awesome.
So awesome. Good job. Go call everyone that dinner is ready. Hi guys, I hope you got that review. So awesome. This is indeed beyond awesome. Try it.